Hello, I'm Couch Potato Chan. If you like anime, cosplay, kawaii fashion, and think it should be for everyone, stick around while I make a dress bigger. I originally took this dress to a local seamstress and asked her if she could make it bigger. She told me to just buy clothes that fits me. Well, Brenda, they don't make this dress any bigger, and I want this dress. So next time you want to wear something they don't make in your size, and you're willing to get a little crafty, you can tell the Brendas of the world to kiss your fluffy, frilly butt while you wear what you want. So let's talk about how I did it. I started with two identical dresses. You don't have to fabric in the same color, or sacrificing the waistbands would have had the same effect. I just happened to find the same dress with a broken zipper, so I figured I might as well be a little extra. I started by taking off the waist ties from the dress with the broken zipper. This was the extra fabric I would be using to make the panels on each side of the dress. Then the ones from the dress I would be making bigger, and put all four to the side for now. The bottom of this dress is gathered, so we can just seam rip part of the bottom to give us more fabric. It should look a bit like this. How big would depend on how much fabric you need to add. On one side of the dress there's a zipper, so we gotta take that off. There is a lot of seam ripping to this process, so I like to listen to some of my favorite anime while I do this. When that side is done, we gotta let go of some of the gathering on that side as well. Now we bring back those waistbands and measure out how much of the fabric we will need. The top of the dress is only using one layer, so I separate these. Next, I pin my fabric piece to the dress right sides together and sew both sides. For this top part, I just sewed it down. I personally didn't want this trim under my armpits as it could be pretty scratchy, so I just skipped that part. As for the zipper that used to be on the side, I left that out as the dress has back shearing, making it stretchy, and it no longer needs it. But if your garment does not stretch, keep in mind that you have to have enough fabric on the side to add the zipper. Now we just gotta close this part. And that's it! The panels are not very noticeable. Now I decided to get a little fancy, and I made the waistbands detachable by adding buttons and buttonholes. This dress is now so comfortable and brings so much joy. Clothes should fit you, not the other way around. So that's the video. If you enjoyed, stick around for more anime, cosplay, and kawaii fashion related content. Hope to see you around. Kiss my fluffy butt, Brenda!